Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to apply 5% off max 50 for specific customers in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Capping Discounts from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount. Give it a title, save 5. You can copy that title. I am using here the discount code. You can enter the discount code here. Click on percentage and add the discount percentage, that is 5, and capping amount will be 50. You can select discount applies to all products or specific collection or specific products. Here I am selecting for all products. You can also enter the minimum purchase requirement. I don't need any minimum purchase requirement, so I am selecting that. But I want this discount code to be visible to only particular customers, so that's why I am selecting customer has tag, and you can enter the tag name here. Tag has been added. Now you can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. You can also limit it to 1 use per customer. You can also set the start date and time and end date and time as well. If you want to combine this discount code with product discount, order discount or shipping discount, then you can select here and save your changes. Now go to customer section. Now you can select any of your customer for which you want to show that discount. And here you can enter the discount name. Tag has been added. Now save your changes. Go to discount section. So here you can see discount has been activated. By the way, if you're liking this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. Now we will add product to the cart that is lying in between the capping amount. Proceed to checkout. Now we will enter that particular customer's email ID here. We will enter the full address. So here we can see product amount is 200. So 5% of 200 is 10. Now you can enter the discount code. So here you can see 10 has been now added. Now we will add the product to the cart that is above the capping amount. Again, we will enter that particular customer's email ID and enter the full address. And here you can add the discount code. So the 5% of 1500 is 75. But total savings will be only 50. Not will be more than that. Now we will test for any another customer so that we can check that our discount code is only applicable for that particular customer. Now we will remove that particular customer's email ID. And then we will enter the discount code. So now you can see the discount code is not applying because we didn't enter that particular customer's email ID. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to apply 5% off max 50 for specific customers in your Shopify account. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy